Today we're looking at this deluxe tool set. It would make a great gift for any kid. It would be able to let them use their imagination. They'd be able to fix things and do anything that they want. They would love having their own toolbox, just like mom or dad. They love having the tools that look like what mom or dad have. This is a 38-piece set, and it all comes in a nice toolbox.
Should be.
So you got a drill. Yeah, tape measure.
Yeah.
Does it work?
Yep. Mom, a dad. Dad.
Just like that? Show him. Is it cool?
I try.
Roll it up.
No.
Oh, that's roll it down. Roll it up. All right, what else do you have in this? This is gonna need some batteries to get it to work.
Mom,
Yes.
a bye.
Oh, saw.
Hey, wood.
We need some wood to cut, huh?
Huh?
We'll have to find some wood. Yeah, in a little bit. What else we got? Pliers, screwdriver, a wrench.
Try.
Yeah,
Try.
now you can fix your bike.
Yeah. Mom.
These are all made out of plastic, so they are safe for little hands. Here's the screwdriver. They even have a little face mask that they can wear. There you go. Twist.
I talk.
It sounds funny when you talk, huh?
Hammer.
Little hammer. Let's go fix something. Here, get something to fix the window. We'll fix the window first.
Baby.
There you go.
Oh, mess up.
Clean up.
Yeah. What two?
Yeah, you got some bolts.
What two? What? Oh. Yeah. Ow. Ow. Feet.
You didn't get caught. All right, get your toolbox. You gonna fix the window? Yep.
Yeah. Mom, boat.
Fixing the hole.
Yeah.